how to connect Hostinger domain to Replit. So here's what you want to do. First, open up Replit, click on apps and navigate to your website. Now from here, you want to go into domains. It should pop up at the top, and then you will choose connect your own domain. In order to do this, you will need to have a paid plan. So now we will go into Hostinger, then domains, and you will find your domain portfolio right here. So I'm just going to copy my domain and paste it in this field and select next. Now it's going to give us these records which we need to add to our the Hostinger domain. So you will go back into Hostinger and then you will select manage. Now here you want to go to DNS/name servers and you will see this option, manage DNS records. Now we will go back and just copy this. So it's going to be an A record at, and this is going to be the record itself. So I'm going to copy it. So A record at points to, and you will paste the number and click on add. Now here you will just click on confirm. Okay, once you have added this one, then you will go and proceed to the second one, which is going to be a TXT record. So you will click on type TXT. Again, it's going to be at, and this is going to be the record which we want to copy, the text value. Okay, so just like that, we will paste it, add record. And once you have done this, then you should have successfully connected your domain. You want to click on link and it's going to verify. And once it has verified, it might take a little bit of time, but then it should detect Hostinger operations and you can do it that way. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.